Unsay kantaho ni Kyle karon? Your Man. Baby like the door. Okay, ready na ba si Kyle?
Ready.
Ready na si Kyle. Ako nang ihatag ang entablado sa beat. Okay, palakpakan na to si Kyle. Oh, let's go, Kyle! Ko! Ups! Quick break. Beatzers! Amaze good kayo mi sa inyong suporta nga gipakita diri kanamo. Daghan good kayong salamat. Pero mas amaze me nga 2% ra mong naka-follow sa ato ang Facebook page and gamay ra pud ang naka-subscribe sa atong YouTube channel. Manghinaot og mohangyo unta mi nga inyo haming tabangan pinaagi sa pag-like, pag-follow sa ato ang Facebook page and sa ato ang YouTube channel. Daghan gud kayong salamat. Dako kay nin tabang sa amuha nga growth. And in return, paningkamuta namo nga tarungon ug i-improve pagyud namo pag-ayo ang amuha nga show para kaninyong tanan. Daghan gud kayong salamat, Beatzers.
Lock the door and turn the lights down low and put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Baby, lock the doors and turn the lights down low and put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Ain't nobody ever loved nobody the way that I love you. We're alone now, you don't know how long I've wanted to. Baby, lock the doors and turn the lights down low and put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Huy, kagrabe! Upper sabi? Ma'am Bern! Good evening. Pilay atong ihatag nga score ni... Kisa kito nga lang gani? Kyle, ni Kyle. Ug ngano, Ma'am Bern?
Okay. So, I'm giving Kyle 10 points. Because he actually hit the low notes. And it's not easy to actually hit those notes. and I can see also that he's actually enjoying while singing.
Book, pila atong ihatag nga score ni Kyle ug ngano?
Matik 10.
Matik 10. Kita. Ganong 10?
Kay gwapo. Iyang performance. Bitaw nindot kayo no kay kanang song like giingon ni Ma'am ganina lisod na i-hit ng mga low notes ba kay kung lisod ang high note i-hit mas lisod para nako mas lisod i-hit ang low note jud and na siya mga kuan melody ganina nga gipang tweak niya ba murag iyang gi bali-bali nga napod siya iyahang version pod which is matay nakanindot niya that maong deserve niyang 10.
Para na ako is 10 kay mura siya gatong original syempre. And then na siya part nga yang gidula ng kwan which is nga Chada pod. And then pero bitaw Chada bitaw kay sa kwan pa lang siyang tingog limpyo ba. That's why sa sin kwan 10 gyud. Una pa gani 10.5 pa dyan. Okay, 10 ra kay. Good job. Okay.
Nakuha ni mo ang perfect score nga 30. Makadaog kag pa-premyo. Aduna kay Beats Okay gift voucher, no? Congratulations, Kyle, no? Beatzers, kung kamo mo hatag og grado, pila ka ha, ug ngano? Ug asa na pud mo ganahan nga mo bisita ang Beats Okay? Just comment down below. Ug ganahan sad mo nga mo sponsor og episode, email us at info@beatsy.com. Ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram o Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.